Namiere no te pano, de que no voy a Abeyuwa me no vie pomo, aquí haría veo yo. Nagbagwa no te pano, wagiyo, Abeyuwa me no vie pomo. Abeyuwa me no vie pomo, aquí haría veo yo. Nagbagwa no te o, nagbagwa no te o, nagbagwa no te gombane, eke nuguri oje o. Nagbagwa no te, Abeyuwa nagbagwa no te o. Nagbagwa no te Abeyuwa o, keke nuguri oje o. Late Madam Abeyuwa, Nova America, àwọn Kolorio wa, Prophet Atiti, yọ̀wé nítorí wọn náà yàgbọ́ kí ó wú ẹnu ẹ̀. Ọ̀wẹ́nu yàgbà kẹ́rẹ́ adena. Ọ̀wẹ́nu yẹn makana mefe o. Ave la video presenter ya. Ìrọ̀pá mami o bá mi wẹ̀. Zẹ́rù ní resi lúnyí. Uke kpara ní ẹwà. Ìyàwó ìyìnjẹ́. Ìyàwó ewu. Ewu kere òfẹ́ kere. Ìyàwó ọ̀nàmà kíámíàmíà. Abeyuwa no yepo, okiariare o. Nagbagwa no te gombane o, wagiyo. Nagbagwa no te gombane, Abeyuwa no yepo me, okiariare oje o. Waguwo, waguwo. Oh, every time I go, Abeyuwa me no yepo. Waguwo, ugu ne saga kwa, ugu gabofie mo tusao, Abeyuwa me no yepo. Maria moro, Maria taro, Maria serio abi, Abeyuwa me. Nagbagwa no te gombane, wagiyo. Nagbagwa no te gombane, Abeyuwa me no yepo me, ijo mi ariawe ojo. Wagirio, deke nugurio, Abeyuwa me no yepo. No wese no kwa no wo. Eya moye a, oguwe jamando. Agalayewa, yawa ni mosi. Obi epo me no go na o, deke nuguye o. Agalayewa, yawa ni mosi. Obi epo me no go o, deke nuguye o. Akalariagwa, Yawani Mosero, Ovie Pomani Moso, Dekenuye, Dekenuye, Uwu Evita, Dekenuye.
Yeah, you wear it, go. Hey, you wear, yeah, you see.
Abeyuwa no biego, Doro America. Prophet Atiti, Aweni to you wana. Nindo ya gbokyo weme, Awoki agawe o. Awenu tai.
Me no ga akpolo ke we kwaje.
Iyeda akpoli nwe o. Late Madam Abeyuwa no biego, Doro America. Akalariagwa, Biawa mi mose. Ovie Pomani na go, Dekenuye.
No, sir.
Agaria iriko.
When I like
Agita takbo yo. Dekenuye. No. Magari uye. Abeyuwa ni mosu. Oh, let matter Abeyuwa no biego. Prophet Atiti, Owo Manakiamia yeye. Zare biesi, nu yoto, uke paanya kwa. Opiawo konu yobona, nuya pakete yogate. Eya ga fie, awaro pama biore yeye. Ba me we. Okialiawe let Madam Abeyuwa no biego. Erukujia. Akalariagwa, Biawa ni mosi. Ovie Pomani na go, Dekenuye. Minagia na pepe, Abeyuwa na go, Dekenuye. Ematsai no. Uwe bitama pe. Okialiawe o. Let Madam Abeyuwa no biego.
My people, na good evening, na good afternoon, na good morning. Anywhere they watch this video from. I bet more help me share this video. And God bless you now. But more talk about the video where this idiot do. Hey, what Jesse William? What say? Oh, when this idiot do, we say Abeyuwa not get money. Abeyuwa not get money. They follow the chop money. Hey, I don't know the egg oh. Well, I don't know the egg oh. I don't know the also. Abeyuwa not get money, but when they follow the chop money, no let them get peace. I dey find my darling. Mona see all the people. Hey. So Abeyuwa, okay. Abeyuwa not get money. No let her rest. Una dey chop him money. You say Abeyuwa not get money. Getting something. Oh, my people. I went up kawu. Oh, Tita. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody know who go be the next. This idiot. This Queen Mumu. I hear your pisi for house. When you don't know your papa. This media, now all of us dey. When they call Abeyuwa mommy, my godmother. Now what they suck him money? If they give us star, her for the ground now. She don't come and call the condemn her and not say she don't get money. Oh, Mona see their life. So you don't say not get money, now go put her for BC. You know say money will be what they give her, not be she get her. But na phone and the chopper. Edo, what the time I was to now? What the time I was to now? Abeyuwa not get money. Then the phone and the chopping money. Ritera, you know yera. You know yera with the condemner. Umahon. Oma mo kuna do boy Abeyuwa. Ah? Ohama moe. Una wi mo ado so bobe kuwe. Eni wa ko to kago me. Umana ne na wo kan kan o ka wo bi ma le yo pari wu yen. Uma ko jo ni le nwa. O ka ma gwa. O ko na me pari wu we. Wa na iro bi o e. O ho na gwaro na video. Wa na gbe do na gbe likai. Eri ta go fi Abeyuwa. Iba bo na igo egbe. You were that your mafia, mother fiero. And I never, I want to big one, Uri Erae. Equemo. I'm going to big one, Uri Erae. You know the shame? If they never beat your mama for social media, you know go feed. You know the shame? Now you say that me, you want come meet. Rita, you go collect. Let me tell you. You go collect. I be just keep quiet. They look you ever since. I be just keep quiet. They look you ever since. But you say no. Because they throw that to 13 months to me and my husband. Oh, go here and boo. In a ball like better the place you walk when he. Let procedure away. The ball like be. What bell? When I'm one and who you to take cashew, I you get more. Okay, yes, Sonia. A penny on a veto. And I'm more very of your amukiotio. What about it? Yeah, better if you say feather. Fight together. I was sure no macon. What bell? It done way. Hey, Joe. I'm going to make it. Who got the dog big west way? Because he was. What was not going to get boy at boo? What are about it? Yeah. Where? And I did a good man. The other day, I would have mamma. Now, the way I don't mean. Oh, how much more do you know? Kenny, who do I feel like baby? See now, what's now? Now, if they feed me, I don't ever collect $1 from your hand. How much was that money where you pay me? Let me call insult your head. Is there? What fian who? Defiant who? Ne wemu? When they both best side mirror, where do I go me go? Now next tomorrow be me and you. Great, you get me. Next tomorrow, never be me and you. Please share this video. When all your care, I can try. Person go sit down, go let her get peace. I did my own. I not call you, not concern you. So that my matter holds you. Now me one quarter they left for social media. Later look my face so. Look my face so. I know easy oh. I know easy. What defiant. Please share this video for me. When I share for me, I like this video. Thumbs up the video. Next tomorrow, I go be me and you. On Thursday, I know they go work at the house. Now you call me. Then I don't better be you. Now you just testing no. I feel the fear. I say walk boo. Person, I'm not going to let person get peace. Wait now. This is the thoughts I'm not getting I do. You know. Then you run live video. Go to vomit nonsense. I feel Abeyuwa. How many years I take senior you? Now you with my man last born, I go to share age. Not be me as you. You with my man last born. Now I go to share age mates. You hear it? I not be your mates. Since we not get respect for our elders, now so I call the beat no mama. If you can how look you, it took around. Me I will be there. Ah, we will be as so to no wrong. Beautiful. Wow, what do you hear? Okay, I'm going to be a lot of what up with. Good evening, Kevin. Oh, I will know. They will listen to this idiots. Say, Abeyuwa not get money. But now they follow on the choppy money. She not get money, they follow on the choppy money. That's in their life. Abeyuwa my keke. Or yere mortuary. A bad way where you're not going to worry in over. But why you call chopper? That's in their life. Wow, on at your waja. He dead. You not see us and answer this idiot. No fear. Come with send me one contour to. I call you a very now. All of them don't give me a star. You don't ever give me. No. I tell her, not give me. I don't need that. I mean tell her, not give me. She forgive me. But I said no. Stop her. Now this one I say they spoil me their soul. I think she about to eat. But no, not grill. Now what they draw for his ass. Mommy! I want to enter live video. Make I come beat Mama Joy. Wow, bell. Why I tell everybody come fight you, your mama? See shame and disgrace now come enter your body.
People like that, they say, quick take. If you they never even mock me once, say, you know, you go, ya bemo, can where you get.
Your baby bagoon, shut up. I went out by my cafe, or did wake be, or game, mama. You know they walk, they cut your hand, I get what boy. What do you about the only busy.
Supported the run everything, 1,000 euro. I don't know, not every time I say, they don't even send. Now they no low. No more low. The truth was, Abeyuwa not get money. And a fake life she dey live. Fake life.
Yeah.
She get money now go to work security. Ask me this, so me I win security. No.
Who shock they work? As you say not they work security work. Now money that they find. No work when money not there. Which work you they work? As you did whether you work security work. Wait today. Go see London. Go London. All those our women, our men. What did they do for London? Which work did they work for London? Can't tell me. Huh? When they go come and they say they be nurse. They be nurse. And they say hospital work. Where Abeyuwa see they do. And they say they do for London. They get money for inside. They say money there. They say money there. May you tell us that the one way you they do, now which work you they do? The one that we now. When I went to the care, me tell the No no kind of body what do you go no which work they do? Huh? Where they wait for woman like you? Where you go do the screen finish? You can't give you. They can't live it. They not they sort for your money because they tell people saying give you money. Not when they beat her for. She thief you. Then your power is now she don't work that money. Eh? Easy. How many people you don't do her for? Don't where would you but now? No one I call a down to ask work by the care of Mitiana. Udara not say one one work with you. You are born now when I work Ben who was soon with the water. How do you?
Now I said the truth. Me go do security work. Me queen go do security work. When I get the work, I want to just see me. I'll just hold one stick will be like on blame. I want to that way. Maybe that was supermarket. You want the blue and blue river. He be cocoa. He be shoe. He had one variety with security work. Me where the queen waste where wouldn't suffer when me say me not get anything. Me I was security work here. I be them my connect go where you carry politic. Any I was security.
Go ask Okenebo the work where they work. Now the same hospital work where Abeyuwa they work. Now Okenebo they do for London. Shut up your mouth. Shut up! Whoa, wagma boy la wegbe. Usun go de woro wa. U degi eke gwa wojo. Ekwe muwe. Wala lisi wa here. No dey shame. Go give her money. It's about to do
money they do security job.
Daddy guy ne.
Oh, I live a class in the fucking way competition when you are paying every month. Even people don't really know Abeyuwa. Abeyuwa not get money. Abeyuwa get filling station.
Okay.
Abeyuwa mania filling station.
Hey.
Frank know this one want talk. So now Scott get filling station. Yes, a Scott on your filling station. He mounted all those taxi now Scott prop.
Na yera. My people. I just want to say social media advances when they say I pull lie for Abeyuwa body. When I contacted the whole world say, now Abeyuwa use the mouth talk and say she get husband. Her husband name now Scott. And the year na. The Bible no you like no kuna boy. You know say Abeyuwa dey with man for house. When they call Scott. Why you can't insult your mama? Why you can't insult your head? Can't tell me. So you know say Abeyuwa get man when they call Scott. Of which now I still talk. I not talk any other person. Now her matter for come out. If I do, I'll come see if I the video audio come out. May I complain for the whole world. When I listen, let me my matter for come out. You know, but you not fear. You not fear. You won't put that to dirty mouth where you know some the truth I talk. Mbe you never put on la way benya. Ube when you can't beg away. You see a shame and disgrace inside your body. Ube when you can't beg away. Ube Abeyuwa. Ube when they yalla way every boy. Ube when they disgrace yalla way. Because you now see the truth, no one cover it. That is why disgrace enter your body. You see your life. See your madness.
Now Scott get everything because he dey date Abeyuwa. He carry am join business.
Because they date Abeyuwa. My people man they listen to me. Which lie I can't talk for a year. Now see so Queenie, here Ross no your dion of your one. You will not say na true I talk. Say Abeyuwa they date Scott. Fear let you one live video. When Abeyuwa tell you say can't go insult this woman. You two come out, call the kolo ogonga boy queen. Who gets so Jonah Nota? Anyone here we bona. Everyone have what they be you. Because some come can't wait. Everything when I talk, not be they talk so. Not be they talk so. Rita waka woman you talk say no hear this one. You talk say no hear. So fear let you come out Rita. Call them vomit nonsense for your mouth. Fear let you call them vomit just nonsense for your mouth Rita. Hey Jemel. You are WAHALA wegbe.
May we gather they run this thing. That was why when Scott find out what they go on for Facebook, now he take pursue Abeyuwa.
Yeah.
Now he take pursue Abeyuwa come on for police station. More time more scatter the truth.
Yeah.
Me put fire for this Facebook. He job me anything.
Who show you want put? Where they confess. See what they come out for your mouth. Okay. Where you come they make it they insult your head? Wait, no, say true. This woman deal with man for house. Why this thing just will come and say you want to go carry? He said they fight adulterous. Huh? Go they put her for woman we get man for house. Not be making the fighter. Say, you know if you come and they disgrace us. What they will not do, you they cut our body, they put her. Then you go carry a woman. Where be say deal with man. Now be I talk. You not fear again now. Fear still let you come out again now. Eh? Cause say na me. Yay! Queen road ye. Haba! When I not talk to you. I not talk to you. Now my own day. Hey! Queen, ogun Abeyuwa. Iba boss ye kule liwe boss ye kule liwe rita. Wasu.
Na be fool. A fool wa he me tell me why you got pushing me because Abeyuwa wa na ya gbegbe zanzan. E boy me dey not pass fool. He wa gbegbe zanzan we
to the uruwa. You to the rake. When I dare find you go house that time. Emma we man leg big ma fa fi go. Alawa. When them bomb gbe, ya get every day. Na social media na go dey get mouth. But if na see people for fear no let na cough. I feel
to prove with evidence. Even though anyone academy go, people go see and the evidence are all there. He say I could you know hearing queen. Yes now. They say na 3 work she dey do. Who get money go do 3 job?
It not concern me.
Why we 3 job ya?
Yes.
Go do 3 job. No.
Now she know. That will not be my business.
Everyone get shishi. Abeyuwa was apprenticed to Scott.
Yeah.
Which I get the bullshit evidence. The same way they easy carry and come aside for Facebook, Scott suspend her for that taxi month where they drive. Abeyuwa will tell you say now he get the taxi. Now he get all the business, but now Scott get her. The only time Abeyuwa start her own, Abeyuwa later start her own filling station. She started from Scott. Now Scott get the male filling station. Now Scott.
Okay.
2 of them, you're like, you know, partners, yeah? They work together.
You know, say they work for a Scott. Say na your boyfriend that be your husband. No, say I want color. Why you call insult your head? When you know say Scott. Now make sure you name him. No make sure you name that person name. Huh? You know, because of money, where she can't give you, because of star where can't give you come on live video, call the colo. Eh? So they give you money every week. Where should they see the money when they give you every week? Eh? Where she for the same money when should they give you every week, queen? No say she not get money, but if they suck her, they chop her. Why she can't come and say she know they give her money again? Now call the bitter. Hey. Wow.
Scott your carabin was say join me in work. Now Scott get all the taxi. I know how many times she and Scott quarrel for my present. I will do online. 2 of them will quarrel. Scott go seize all the car keys. Me go there and say, "Mama, where you are? Where you are? Oh, where?" She go tell me say she go find way to take go out.
When I see their life, Alan will judge another thing. She dey judge another thing. More than just a colo for them. Now me hold the key.
But this is get as you.
Now me hold the key.
He said, I know that Abeyuwa doesn't have any filling station. Yes, now that's the truth. She not getting. You don't ever see person will go on filling station. You go to say after 2 days or 2 months, a filling station. But some people say get to filling station. No, one was Scott home. As Scott open you, Scott come and say the process where he pass, they open you, he will still open for her. Now be the one where she open for her daughter. She open for her daughter. She not fit meet up with the payments because. Now install payment. Now no American. Even though you buy house credit, so they pay small. Just to say we call her take buy house. Now so she take buy that property. She dey.
Hey, she not meet up. No, follow and chop the money. Because every weekend they balance you. That money where they give you, they give the other one, give the other one, give the other one. No, they shall take balance. You know, you shall take pay.
Installment. She not feel meet up after paying for the owner of the company of the filling station. She not see money take go the carry fuel. He get the gas. You not see money carry gas and gas they call her. Oh, mommy go am with gas, my people.
I
don't tell now. I never be she but do I not get that time. Now she even they press me the time. Me make her get face because I know say she they wash me like this. Okay, no offense. Because the only way you can deal with somebody in truth. Why a truth to bomb? Ariana the Abeyuwa forgets.
I hear her. Okay, what do you call the talk for my body? Not truth. I bet you talk here. No such they lie. When you sit down, they insult your head. What do you talk for my body? Not truth. If I never want to lie, big way about.
If you use truth, tell person the bitter truth of their life, in your soul forever and ever. In your soul.
Now what? Yeah.
Now so it be. Me when they quiet and they look for people, he can't they work out the money. Abeyuwa man nego. The small money where she can't get, she can't use her own race for those cyberspace.
Yeah.
Now Abeyuwa make the drive jeep for UK. Nobody they drive jeep get jeep motor net.
You say because they can run race for Facebook. Now see their life. That is the start when you just they give them to every week money.
Big motor.
I thank God I'm not following a chopper. That be God when I thank for my life. I'm not following a chopper.
All those mamas, I don't want to call their name for UK, even Germany. Go see Jeep women they drive for Germany. Abeyuwa get Passat. Abeyuwa get Passat motor we get. Not the Scott get all the motor. Motor one Abeyuwa they drive. You say like pick up.
I thought that for a new one.
I know how to pick up where they are rich. All those God is good motor. I know God is good motor. Small one, the big one, that big God is good motor where they get AC. Where they get AC for inside. Don't be sure who get on a Scott get on. That was why Scott fit throw him. Imagine person where get all these things. Where you know say, okay, one are reason, I'm not the reason something. They say she get filling station. They say she get cars, everything. Then later she come go they do security work. Now don't ever see you get filling station, even though you bankrupt. You get filling station, even though you bankrupt, you come go they do security. They all want small stick will be like umbrella. They stand for front of supermarkets. She did fake life.
Yeah.
That's not the truth. Maybe your child was saying the truth. Since it don't be like this, what matter? Now truth will talk to the end of this matter. She was Isha. If watching me they talk on a lie. May they go build you paper for me, say, you no time over. Escort on your Phyllis.
Who want to follow you, dragon? That's why they talk so. She don't buy. She now if you come out for grave now. Come follow you, they talk, say. Now true you talk, oh. Now lie you talk, oh. She not go fit. Now only prove. Then go fit follow the dragon. Abeyuwa don't die. You know see, huh? So I get the dog one. I may want to go to I see. I may want to see where they are. Now long here, backbone. Why you not talking ever since when she dey alive? Why you not talking ever since when she dey alive? Say they have this is not me she get and why you not talking? You know now say she don't buy. Now you can't get mad. Why you not talking ever since? How do you call it?
Escort on your motor na Abeyuwa ga fini. May I go build you paper for me. Me wait cover mama to na this be fool. Iye justice osuwa ga no our na disgrace. I go disgrace her journey.
Ogun
I go not disgrace. I go polite her journey because una matter now don't dey vex me. I go polite her journey.
For the truth when I talk. Now, who get this money where they post since? Not be your own. Not be you chopper. I follow na chopper. Wow, beo. Go boy. About lawe be. You they talk like you can't say na truth they talk. You know say na truth you they talk. Where till not make you talk and time when she dey alive? Why you not talking? Wait, no say she no fit come out now can't talk wetin she see. You know say she no go see anybody wey won't come their weakness. They come out now. When they lie. Wọ́n talk boy. Wọ́n fear.
Work for anybody. Me and the person picky. I'm about Bawana. She'll give me 20 naira. I go to tell her say give me 50 million. One of them call they. Now even make Frank call the fee say she dey really give me big money. One lady from America call me say Queenie. Because the woman know everything about it, even the chain business. The woman know everything. Then the woman say, hey, you call Frank or may greet Frank or say Frank. In front of the Frank tell her say, hey, the woman call the porter day. The woman call her say, give me, I've been at 2 million, I've been at 2.5 million testers, share business. Ena sa go do na bobo, ena sa do na sa bobo. Iwa ngori. Ena wo gure. Truth not say me they not talk. Before this woman, before all this matter, he said, happiness video make me laugh. Mama Joy no be better person. Mama Joy need to this after.
Oh, boy.
What be meeting am?
Wow, your boy.
She dey find wetin dey mama. Because if not, the adults are not supposed to hold me.
What you can't do for inside, that's the matter not supposed to hold you. Why you don't wear no bell? Because you don't see money chop again. That means stop me not giving her money. Yes, I not talk and hide. Now me stop and say not give anybody money again. Even start not buy. Let them go work. Now me stop for her. Not because they insult your head. No sungu. Babola we be bagbon. Ogbon can agbi you we. He wife. No worry about it, yeah. What fear?
Since you want disgrace, yeah, honey, joy. I know for this media way like.
We are
brothers. Not be say when we all be like brothers, we like friends.
I want your boy.
Again, I talk about I attack. Me go even hate, not even hate Frank because of what Frank they do me. Because of waiting me go the year when she go come meet me, she go they cry. Queenie, Frank block me. You want to go get no there. You want to go get no there. You go nick back. Although we ye Kevin, and we want to give Kevin and we Kevin warrior. Is that tia? A mamu, we need tia. Me cause it's okay. Make a call her. I want to Frank where I want to say. Hey, monitor me. Winnie. Hey, monitor me. Ye girlfriend where? What girlfriend me? Ye boyfriend where? Hey, monitor me. Even sometimes me and Frank said, "Well, I will call she for him." Frank said, "We'll call she for him. We'll call she for food." But if you're there, we'll see me. Tell you're there for me. That nobody will even know what they go. Me and this woman, because of this woman, me and Frank told they get there side for anyhow. He said, happiness. Say if she do 10 naira good for you, she go send 100 naira good. What do they get me?
Oh, this one will lie. This one be proof. Not be proof. I be don't give a spicy pepper, make it help me breathe their comments. When I can't see their names, when I can't see the money, because I don't get chance to do one. I send that to spicy pepper. Make she help me bring the comments. And I go see them. I will post her for media. Or she go even post her for her page. When I go look money with this idiot shop. What did they just want? They don't want to make the woman talk, come and say they chop him money. They be just hide they chop him. They chop him. Now I made they fight her. Oh, Messi Wato. Now I made they fight her.
Truth, no say less more talk am as it be. Mama Kev, when they talk, Mama Kev. I did my own, je. I sit down, je. Now she take forward, Mama Kev account come for me, Juliet Agbontai. Now she take forward down for me, say, person tell her, say, na Mama Kev be this. After I don't bring Sarah, now because how this person, I bet I'm not going to talk many talk. Joy, I don't try to say by your friends more shit. Bring evidence, come aside.
Bring the evidence. Make the whole world see. And number one, cover your mouth. If for today God disgrace Abeyuwa, Abeyuwa not they come back again. Abeyuwa not they hear this one again. She don't go. Otilo. You hear? Money wanna chop. Talk as you take chop your money. I don't know the work when you say give you. When you call they carry money for a hand. When you call they insult your mama. Now they pay you for. You choose they do one.
She don't get any money. That money one they say she don't get pass out to get a fee.
Why you call they follow
a chopper? She was working on that spot. That was why when Saga boss out on media where everywhere spoil. Scott chased her away from his company. Now Scott get that company. Not be say the filling station fire come burn or the company come season or one thing. Scott chased her away. From the look of things, Abeyuwa had a mental issue or not to people. Only her family knows. Ima only do her over by people. The small good, the good now I don't drink or take because I see me now. Now make me also they say, but if they want, as I said, the said up in wedding now, I will just beat her for free. It was there.
Now you drag yourself come out. Now you drag yourself come out so. Osimuna lalwe. Now if be me o. Now lalwe matter me o. Now you can't take your hair carry waiting and lalwe put for ground so. Now you drag yourself come out. Because me might take balalwe for. He may take birthday. And me might have a balalwe. Now you drag yourself come out o. Where you can't take yourself collect bullets so. Can't take yourself collect shame and disgrace. Nobody be no say na Rosojo be your name. When she tell they send you money. But the social media don't know now say na you be Rosojo. All those snake way that you get them. So no lie again, shut up your mouth. Shut up! Devagboa. Agbot your ibu ebagmon. She not get money, they follow and they chop your money. You know what bagmon when you
know. Which can go be this? Do you know people at the head?
Who is the head?
When they say back.
Money when you give away, tell do give away. Who will give? Since we not give you money again, if we still do give you away, you will allow away. Why would we give away? No bell bagmon. Why do you call?
Iye job where wow.
Wow, why you
here? That's somebody on this meeting.
Shut up, who? What who? You know say the share for media. You know the seller for media no fear who back on no book bagmon. No bell. How you do the money? Not the money she take buy and can't give you. Wow, what the bad yeah. The one way take carry when say want to go London. Where give you? How you do one about the Frank Dede? How you do one no fear who? No bell. No worry about the London money how you do one. You know collector for Nigeria. When I say no they go London, can't take the woman play am. You the chopper. Your surely the chopper wag bell wag man who fear who. Where you go collect the money for Nigeria? Why your call? Be we not get my be we not go. When you follow on the chop the money. Why what the year? Why soon who? See shame and disgrace like come put in a life and come put for my hand. Now see I we don't get one wow. I mean on the yago see you. I thank God today that you are mighty for come and say I not get what I do you. So you can't boy yo.
This one are just preamble.
Come out now.
Hey, they play the show.
So they talk.
I not get any other topic. I matter be in my watch I say like 500 years. In my watch I can't.
When you do war, you can rake. You too they rake. I don't know why. You too they rake. Even the time when even they pay you now, when you come up on the colo, you feel beat me. Where to be me saga? Let's go have here. To have here. We got Daniel. Me ready for where? Kenneth, good evening. You better dig away. Yeah, come. Let's start. Okay, I ready today. Nege atamenia. Me ati ya loko you ya loko ijuo. Ya loko ye ran no sungu. Ya loko ye tuun. Nege atame. Me ati ya loko jiyan. Afian.
Iba wa charge nya. What you fit say you fit tell me? We go shame me. When Julie London dem Milana.
Milana gbe avie. Milana gbe avie. Julie London dem Milana. Yes. Oh what do? Oh take no na de. Na de mo e meet and wa avie. Our doe. Do my isuwa. When did you not take a Demila name? Eh? If you not useless, you know the years when you not start to buy Mila for people. Where pay me also like Papa die. You not give her Mila. You not give her cow. She not buy cow give her pay me also. And because they do follow and fight. No. You know how many musicians Julie don't buy cow for? You know how many people don't get cow, do gifts, say take and dash you. You know how many? You're not going to get your boy. Abuja afi wefi. Oba can courier. Ere. Ori. Ere. You might not know it. Ube no yakman alaluwe ki Obege. No na so tomorrow. Obege. Agbara na agbara ni fi oto. You know so we me to let we gbe lati. No. Ama we no fe. We never born on we. Wa ori ai, mo di lodo on to gbo e. Wa sungu. Gon gbo e.
When I will not go work one, since I might go work one. Maybe if I start out or modern saga, is one tier bonnet Julie London.
O ma ti e bo ni juwe. You le gbe ma ho ni. No wa, po ma gba ifa be kun e. O wa gbe. Eju London yi wa. Won ya. Eju London, e iwa in anything. We ti buwe e. Iwu agwegun. O ya fu efi Abeyuwa. Won be no we no ke dere no na le gbegbe. Ona ye police kwa le kian wo edo mami o. Emi jana na sunu. So, wa review jema o wa ela Nigeria ugala Abuja ori ewefi. Abuja. Okay,
because for shit to even do friend with person like you, birds of the same feather flows together. Then no ge igba mu ba gbori ase when I go see Julie London. Then I go Julie London.
Asi apa ije ikin. Abi mama agbe o.
Where was it? Ono ya Debila nu e. You do it gba bia you was it. You do it saga di wo ti jaga nje.
Ela bia wana mai do yimi ame. Abi will not come beg me. She come beg me oh. And I forgive her. And I'm with that move. You put her for my hand. Bah! She knows I be Uduga. I be a young lady. Now let me go fit chest now. Then you come put in her life. Put her for my hand. What you come up on her class? Waga vie sage. O ma keme. Abi wa mo be mo yomo. Emi ya wa do ote ya ma omo ya yomo. Yes. Abeyuwa come beg me and I forgive her. I don't get anything against Abeyuwa anymore. And so she still forgive me. Me with her will come be 5 and 6. Let me say by mouth. Before Abeyuwa release everything to me, supposed to know say she dey close to me before he release everything to me. Now see am. Paper dey wey give me o. Paper dey when she give me, and her family now I wan carry that one give. She tell me say no put her for media. And true, not put her for media. If her family need them, they call me. I go travel and to them. Not be now. Then you know say I pass you. I be on you here. All the mo ona bumi ade. All the imi enough forgive her. All the imi enough forgive her. And they forgive her any. Who be this? Who would ye? Wa fi an wo. Omo na se bi enoji. Ati ewe mo. Agbe o.
Yeah, Jamila Nui. Since I don't tell you, if you talk to me, I not go polite only you. And don't bring, I see what you they post. You go to post old pictures. That old picture continue to the post. I stop. It was stop. It one be one to boo. Continue to the post because I get all your friends. People where you follow snap picture. The one where you go their party. The one where they can't eat for your ass. Now your birthday video there with me. Yeah, wa polite. Ya se gbe mani do poli ba wewe de wa we bede ga bi wa dum wa we bede ni na polite you we buy do vie to buy is operation polited we may be you think I dey follow on the job
Let the Twitter show
my babies dey
once Franco must work friendship not be like iye joy eto prince ogun ware dan o ton wa mi ogun ware ohun
we justice na gba bo le wa mi
ogun ware ohun ware ju ohun ogun ke ware ye gbe ohun wa sun wu ibabo lawe gbe rosi ogun ware ye gbe ohun u ga wori abadi ya bi wori abadi ya na le ku emu ya ri ga bi ewa na bi ewa ohun ye ni digi ogun ki aware ju odu wa fi an wu babo lawe lagbewegbe wa sun
me ma cha mu wa ina we iga mu da wa ejo is wetin Abeyuwa do Julie because Julie say if Frank the saga her Abeyuwa go dey give Frank star which is true. Abeyuwa come dey sponsor that saga of Julie with Frank. Now she come this.
Now see her. Which is true. Now hear her. Okay, you know say na truth. When Abeyuwa come call you make you call the colo for media, why you not tell her say this way they do so say no good? Make she stop her. No. You want to follow the chopper. Hungry lion. Now see their life. See how she shame and disgrace they enter her body. You now see her. So you know say Abeyuwa they sponsor Alaluwe for the saga. Abeyuwa come meet you. You not tell Abeyuwa say, my sister, this way they do to this woman, so when they support this boy, don't they do him again? You not tell them, they cause sit down. Hey, die. Ogbon agbera agbeju e. Ogbon agbera agbeju no wan sun. See shame and disgrace come enter your body. No, who can get the shame? Not be you. Last, who Abeyuwa come meet? Not be me. Who she come meet? Not be me. Mona see their life. Shame and disgrace come enter your body. Oh, Agbeo. You get mad to talk. You get mad to talk. When you go they chop the poor woman money. Now see their life. Wa soon wo gon agbo won ji lodon togbo e. O togbo we togbo wa fun. O togbo wa son wa yori. Wa worry about the eye. The woman dey at home. You not see me now? When she come meet me, when Abeyuwa come meet, you see say give me star. I stop her. I quarrel with her. Say what did they do so? You not good. She constantly realize her mistake. Yes. Now me stop her. If not, start when I forget for this woman hand. Not be small thing. But I don't need them. I don't need them. Because me they quarrel with her say, why you go they give them if they fight? Now she stop her. Chuchu, she stop her. Now that one I don't see chance to chop. Now I think say, as if they beat her, they fight her, I don't know when they fight her. Then, you go come out, go come call you. Say, yeah, come. When I constantly chop him again. Now that one I don't see chance chop, now you can't cry. So, no. Mama Joy, your hand, they meet all this moment. Yes! They don't expect us Abeyuwa will come meet me. They don't expect her. They're surprised. And if she come meet me, she carry everything put for my hand. All this proof when we get so, make una come out, how many of una get them? You know, they, apart from the one when I sent to. Let me sit down to them, please say, take. Yes. Apart from the one when I give, none of them go come and say they get this kind of proof where Abeyuwa carry give me. You carry on a half in life you put from my hand. And they don't put me a do what you can't do one or walk and beluwa. Oh, what soon. Very well, my can mew no one. What bell? Mama will do over you when we with life with you. Who do I make belly care? Whose children are called they talk? They want to buy it. They want to buy it and what about here? No good boy. No bad man. What soon?
Sagana. Now she's called the Sagana. Okay, Frank, they like video. Oh, yeah, belly star. 500,000 star. 90,000 star. Oh, yeah, belly. Julie also the 6 now they were the sponsor that saga. She herself.
They go do it now. Now here, I know the truth that time. You know come and come talk am. A man boy la we gbene. E bon do azu worry. Wa gbe o.
O find Abeyuwa combat. I don't trust in the Frank itinye. In make sure Abeyuwa ve je wuni. Na make mama joy come out say Abeyuwa girls van for us. Frank can go the follow. So Abeyuwa is adulterous woman. When they start to drag Abeyuwa for this live video with the
one way he talks just now, when it concerns Scott. What it be? Which man I make sure him? They not be Scott. I make sure that person. Now her mouth, if for talk and say she get husband. Say the husband name now Scott. That be me talking for her mouth. Now she use her mouth talking. That is why she not fit do anything. Because now the word will come out for her mouth. Now I take fight her. Now I take beat her. If you can't do bad thing, you beat her more for inside. Next time, not go to her again. True, I beat her and she learn a lesson. I not be like Una. They go sit down, they hide for back of her. Now go see and say that thing, say a bad thing. So from the talk as it be, let that person know so what they do so not good. No, not good. Now go talk am. Now go come sit down because he want give una star. Because he want start to give una every week money. When I'm not get our way. You go look here, the shower on that. Why you? What did they can do? All
of them. The time that they drag her. Oh, mommy was so bold. I be one we were saying and was saying happiness in Maladia, no pa Maladia, atiti Maladia. Now only me one. Queen, the boss lady, I'm so proud of myself.
Shut up! Now money where she gives you, that make you come out. Chama, shut up! Who fight the real fight? Now me. For Abeyuwa. Now me fight the real fight. Because I'm not calling money for her hand. Come on, shut up your mouth and get inside. All this one, what they call on this one? Eh? Rose, what here now? If they want to talk the person will fight the real fight for Abeyuwa, I mean. Abeyuwa will not give me star one day. I not collect money for her hands. Let me fight the real fights. But now, shop. Who are you, Yemiame? When all your mandate by.
I like the heart where God give me. I support people a lot. I help people a lot. If I wrong, I know God for the wrong. Now me come out of this media, una see. Iye joy attitude the domino, all of the saga. God with this dumb prince.
Mo no my name. The international, please tell Tata and Julie London not to reply any of them. Oh, this is why Franco Moswo is still calling them. Okay, Frank, they are here. I go tell them. They're not going to even reply them. No. They're not going to reply them. Midday here, we're going to reply them. They're not going to reply them. Just forget. Frank, you know they're not going to reply anybody. Even Tata, you know, will come and reply anybody. Midday here. So make it they shout and they come bitter for that one. Mais then, dans la de you moi bere. Mettez ce franc au bois. Et mate zoba. Hein? O gba na we ku ni e rosi. Awu yan aju mo e bie ku ne bi yoto. Ana we yan la we, la na nia. Iwu ne rogbe. Over sabi atuno. If you want come and claim say, I be godmother, na godmother. No, say that one daughter want tete. Say, he not be godmother, not be my daughter. You joy goddaughter here. They plan am. Na the amount they take off say, make we plan am, make it. You can't even use the man. They talk. I will still plan make the money and listing. But wait for talk and say, we plan am. Na him make I come out. And then I'll tell you the matter. Now we just say, okay, I can just talk, say, I be your daughter. Shame and disgrace not come be your portion. Good evening, Adesuwa. You are welcome. Shame and disgrace not come be your portion. But my in-law will be near. And next time I run away. Nekwemu. I saw me saw PC for house. Wa gbe o. Ogun gbu e. Abo ila wa gbe. Dono gba be. Obi o meme.
Video wey don prince step beat Abeyuwa. Na me want to start there. Na me want start to take reply to Don Prince. Video wey Mama Jo take beat Abeyuwa. Na me want to start to take the reply to Mama Jo.
God bring God come. That one not shake me oh. You not get what he want do. Any video way like carry come. I dey can't be. I dey nyafu. Any video we like, go bring and come. Ijo, here are any rental day. One year, okay. Any rental day. Oh, salobwa. Wagazuo. Azuo no makon. Azuo no walk here, go. Wow, wana. Abo la we gbe o. Nekwemu. May we play this one. You wa wa gbon. E wa na gbon we gun. E gbe we latian. Abe do agun. Share the video.
Because you don't poke me, go pick back. Back he call the saga Frank. Back he say, me and not the day. And they always say, now boyfriend and girlfriend matter. If Becky and Frank get issue, now boyfriend and girlfriend matter. I wish they not date if you're not finished like this. And what if Becky, Frank do Becky, he not good. Oh, funny, they want to even if he vex, he not consign me. I go turn everything through away. I not that time. I beg. As I did, I not get that time. Last year you lied on me. Where. I saw it day. And day my day, I'm not even reasoning. As you dey lie, you dey talk, they beat me. You say you be your pikin. You say you be your pikin. This one, you not fit come outside. You not talk put. When you be bad person. Frank say you be bad person. You not talk put. Now I say, Mama just see the saga you. He say yes.
Say shame and disgrace. But man, iye joy star.
What they get?
One sentiment.
Now cause okay, Mama just saga you. This thing no good. Now I come out.
If the your wife not useless, let to abuse. You know how wetin happen. You just enter. But face Becky enter house.
Come do more money for Mama Joy. Mama Joy, I beg. With all due respect. Mama, you know say I like you. I beg no dey sad.
Man, no man amo. The video what this is the doctor just dey insult his head. That be me. They insult him mama. No gbọ́ wa gbọ́ no kun wan gbọ́ egbeju e. That be test that. You call dey insult your mama. Wanna talk here? Hi. God forbid.
This woman again, I beg. And my godmother.
No, yeah.
Now she make me go declare her as my godmother for Edo cyberspace. Now she tell me to go declare her as my godmom for Edo cyberspace.
Yeah.
When she comes on and now say me call they say, mommy, human being are evil. People wicked for this life.
Yeah.
People wicked for this life. You when you tell me say, Queen, you because me cut us say this your entity matter is strong for grant. Me no he wanted me to come and saga investor and Becky. Okay, wait to defend you. Why you want me to saga them? What you want me to saga them for? She said Becky, I know the goddaughter. Becky do video, Becky they call her name. Now I say, but Mama, Becky not call your name. I watched the video where Becky they do. I watched the video where Becky do. Becky not call your name. And besides, enough of all these things. The same way you push me to saga Atiti. Atiti was once one of us. Now inside my house I did. When this lady started calling me, Queen, Atiti they cost me for that side. Atiti they cost me for that side. Now I say, really? She said yes. Now lie. That one a pure lie. Now me tell her. Now me tell her by myself. Which I get proof to. Frank matter, that one proof they. More than just patience. So, she come. Tell me, say, Titi de saga her. Titi de beat her. Titi and Mama Joy. Come de saga her. Because Frank come de. Now she, this same lady. Nice Titi come live video, come talk, say she be Frank girlfriend. Not the only Titi she tell, she also told me to come and say the same thing. I don't feel talk this particular word. When she tell me I can't use and who make she send a Titi come live video. Come talk say na she be Frank girlfriend, that person na Becky. Now because of Becky, when Becky come dey post say, oh, my love, no, when Becky come dey post Frank, they write my love, my sweetheart, my neneri, I pray for you. She saw it and she come dey vex. Say why Becky go dey post those things? Whether Becky no know say Frank get girlfriend. Now I cut off say, Me, I don't know whether Frank they date Becky, I don't know. But Atiti is also aware of this issue. Now he calls okay. Since the brother said back, you know, say Frank get girlfriend. Maybe online video. Can't tell Becky say Frank get girlfriend. If when I remember that video, Epa Eddie was even throwing insults to Becky. For that video, where Epa Eddie do that time, where they call her Frank girlfriend. Guys, please thumbs up this. Like, quick concept. I never say anything. I never teach those people wrong. Me with her no quarrel say because she said she no want give me dollar again. No, she said make I go saga Becky with investor. Her sister no. Her sister wey dey Nigeria, you know. Her friend wey dey America no. Now I tell her say I not do again. I not figure they beat my friends because of you. Atiti not do me anything. Mama Joy not do me anything. Dominion not do me anything. Now she also push me. Tell me, Queen be Dominion. Queen Asaga Dominion. Queen Asaga Dominion. The same thing with Mama Joy. The same thing with Atiti. Those people, me and they not get quarrel before. I not do one because of say, maybe because of money. No, I just do one because of my friend. They cry. My friend.
Shut up. Now because of money you do one. You not do one because why you can't collect money for her hands? Why she can't give you star? You not do one because of money. But you tell her every week they balance you. Every week she they balance you. You not do one because of money. Yeah. Why you not reject the money? You not do one because of the money. Why this one called the beat my class? Why you not come out? If they say you not do one because of money. No soon. You not do one because of money. That one they fight them every day, here. You not do one because of money. You not come and cut and say, not leave her. Not do them again. Because she not can call you, may you can't chop money, or may she can't give you star. As when they do one before. Ever pronounce your kule. Wow, biki.
In the head. My friend they beat her. My friend they blast her. My friend they pass through stress. Not be because of money.
Shut up, Naim.
Una they get. Okay. Not do. This present one now. Una not say friend don't they insult me since all this while. And they keep quiet. And they keep mute. Yes, I'll play audio. And they keep mute. I agree with me now. Now because not be because of say I'm not saga this one, no. Because I put the saga Frank. She want to arrest my past, she want to arrest my man, so she go kill me, she go do this because of Frank. When we call the insult. Not be said because of say, una not say all the video I did only 3 video. Those people even get issue with her. Not even me. I don't know what happened between she and Ibizugbe. I just did my own. Good morning, and Ibizugbe they talk to her. Ibizugbe they talk to her. My tell my word when I tell Ibizugbe. And I me quit so show. Na he tell Ibizugbe make it call saga her. Which she was trying to blackmail me. My go me with Epa Ibizugbe chat. Alright? Ma go our chat because you see me, I don't get time to lie, especially this year.
You they lie, you say not get time to lie. Wow,
their saga. This is the audio I said voice note. She called me.
Even when they even do this video, I don't answer them one day. I don't even answer them. I just pretend I not see the video. As the saga the woman reached last year for year. Before the woman go carry Chuchu come out. I not talk put. I hear they say they confess for that side though. If they confess so say I not get what I do am. Good evening. I not get what I do am. Nah she send am. Make you call the insult me. I not answer them. I not talk one word. I pretend like say I not see the video. When you no fear, this idiot come out now call they insult your mama. When I not insult you, I not talk to you. Let me say me go collect money for her hand. Even though say they beat you now, you not consign me. Because now go chop your money. Now don't chop and finish. You can't run. Now like they laugh and say she not get money. But the money now you will follow and now you follow and chop the money. Oh.
She said na me send me but she even sent me voice note. If it's and I'll play it. She wanted to blackmail me with that if Bizugbe audio. Like Bizugbe the saga her. Queen, now you tell Bizugbe me go the saga me. Why I will tell Bizugbe me go saga me? Where it concern me? I don't even know say Bizugbe the saga her. Because now if Bizugbe no even saga her, Bizugbe was insulting Frank.
Domo le we ati me ni me wale salu. Wa we to me my for me. Me no iwe mi no suru no say na le ati we ra we emi bo we je we mother son. E Frank na mi agbon we mi ba ene wu zanu. Man
Investor and Becky. Now say I think say all this saga time it don't finish. Now you say me I know they do saga again. I don't write for saga. You make me saga Atiti. You make me saga Mama Ego. You make me saga Mama Kevi. You make me saga Dominion. You make me saga Ajebo. You make me saga the priest. You make me saga Mama Joy. Still, you want add down that by you say my time no yes no bad way. No how me. My time when I think say are they please or even in all this, right? Not be say I don't know what they happen. You understand? But the way because me know they look like video. Mr. Gachebo. I know say that one I not talk again though because we are running a yario. You understand?
Wow.
Now
wow.
she also make me saga and also show media that former meeting. Because me know they wash. In Frank, they bully those people. Frank about been on the Facebook. Iya ya wa like bina. Iya wa press say. Even when me know say me and Frank know they play. Even when I know say slave with the poor. Yeah wa. She hates those people past. Even me.
Nala
Or maybe.
Nala before she pass, she hates you. Okay, what hate you? What bragbe? Iwe to o gbe kan yin re yin ya bo ya yin e u jo we va ya bo e ulu le we ya bo e ya yin e because wa gbe ye se igo lu wa ri o ye so o vi ere ke wujo
You know that person. Veni je no swa na pa give me ata me now I know they wash. I say really you go say yes. Only me just dey bed laugh. Yes now. Because I talk say I will not do no more. I not go do again. Enough of do boma, do sagama, or tiebome. Enough. No they wash saga again na so. Me no they wash. That's why you see me. Everything people they do with me, I don't see it.
na lie
Now small they see.
and your whole way no dey wash.
Queen, yeah, anybody wait till he saw Frank. She wanted me to stay with Frank. When she said me to give, I don't understand. Is it of recent after she sent 500? Yes, now. Yes, now. Now, of recent, of recent. Google Pixel cannot get with Frank, get saga. I don't want to take concern me. They not get called and insult Frank. Say Frank, you understand. The truth is she don't really like make anybody they talk to Frank or Muslim.
Confession. You make me saga mama.
To take by me self when I was close to Frank because she know Frank know they use me play. She know. Even if say Frank or Muslim, now come your Muslim. That's fine. Frank no they use me play. Frank saga Mama Ego because of me. Now she push Mama Ego to go saga me. That's fine.
No near you.
She push Mama Ego to saga me finish. When me want call reply, she constantly come make me say Queen, me Mama Ego.